Sorkar kadai ban penlong ya ke dorbar kerpang hapo uniub lai yayong mynta kasnem ar hajar ar honriu ngim la shu bandangap ngim la shu ban yai perta ya ke ju kamat ngim la shu ban lektur se sekretariat tang da kin khot ka kes ngim le rangkat badu pai ba ban le pen kan ma dei shu mynta tang da ka sithi Amdai syo menta tang na ka kanhun kes hanrai ngin lek pen kan mau dau pai ba ngin lek sekretariat lada dan kam lada da sarkar kan yor sngau ye kan ni kan perta ka jongi lempet lada ki don donut kin khat ingi banikren lada kim dan ngin lek sekretariat hanrai om tang mangi ki dong elam kes om tang kin khat jong kes hanrai dau pai ba ban ong ya ka sarkar penlong ya ka special session bat penlong tien sarkar purano ya
Afterwards, I got a call from an unknown number saying that this is Sanat Sangma. It was a surprise to me. I just said, "Good afternoon, sir," and immediately he uh, informed me that he wanted to meet me. But I said, "I'm in hospital now, so I cannot meet him." And then I just told him to give a hint for the purpose of the meeting, and he said we actually wanted you to be a candidate from the NPP ticket. So he handed over the phone to Pak Preston, Deputy Chief Minister, and we had a bit longer conversation with him. I accepted the invitation, and I told them to come to my house for a detailed discussion. And on the first of this month at 7 or 8 p.m., a team, very strong and well organized team, came to my house. And I told them that immediately I will not be able to take my decision. It will take me at least a few days to analyze and to evaluate, to assess the political situation in the state, and also my connection with the people, since I have not had in my mind that I will contest this forthcoming MP election. So in 4 5 meet my relatives, consult my friends, seek their advice, their opinion, and after careful consideration, I decided to accept the request. So it was last night only that I accepted the request, and I'm happy that today I've been inducted into the party, and uh, that the party has declared my name as the official candidate of party for this forthcoming MP by election.